Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 VW Golf SE Nav. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 123 brake horsepower while still returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a two-owner vehicle having covered just over 57,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular car is the metallic Atlantic blue, and it's in good condition for the mileage of the car. Opening the doors, you'll see you've got a nice clean interior. Seats are in great condition there. And there's an armrest and two hidden cup holders too for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large touchscreen multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has cruise control, air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers there on the right hand side, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Being the 5-door version, nice easy access there into the back, good amount of legroom and headroom there for a hatchback, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre, and it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Volkswagen too. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then you also have the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, but you can lower it to increase the volume. And there's also a space saver wheel there as well, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.